this is Rain Whisper from the TheAvalonProductionX, and I'm going to be singing you a song today from the movie Anastasia called Once Upon a December. I will be having background music this time, so this is going to be interesting. So please enjoy. It's like one of my absolute favorite songs of time. I mean, I like other songs too, but this one just like blows my mind. Anyways, here we go. Dancing bears, painted wings, things I almost remember, and a song someone sings once upon a December. Someone holds me safe and warm, horses prance through a silver storm, figures dancing gracefully across my memory. Someone holds me safe and warm, horses prance through a silver storm, figures dancing gracefully across my memory. Far away, long ago, glowing dim as an ember, things my heart used to know, things it yearns to remember, and a song someone sings once upon a December. That was Once Upon a December from the movie Anastasia, sung by your favorite Rain Whisper. I hope you really enjoyed it. Feel free to subscribe. We always love subscribers. Anyways, bye bye until next time.